The headband is lightweight but doesn't feel like it'll break after a week. It adjusts easily and doesn't press in too hard. The outer shell has a brushed metal finish that gives it a clean look, and the folding arms make it easy to throw in a bag. We didn't need to look at the manual when we started using the Focus A6.
Revolution.
The controls are super easy to figure out. There's a button for A and C, one for power, and one for play pause, and the volume buttons are on the side. Switching between modes, like between noise cancelling and transparency, is quick, and everything sits right where your fingers naturally reach. So far, everything feels convenient, super straightforward. The Focus A6 has 4 switching modes, and switching between them is super simple. You can just tap the button on the side. You've got your standard ANC mode, which does a pretty good job of cutting out that low steady noise you'll hear on buses or in coffee shops. It's not complete silence, but it makes audio and podcasts way easier to enjoy without cranking volume. Then there's transparency mode, which is great when you're walking around or waiting to hear your name at an airport gate. Wind mode helps soften sharp gusts when you're outside, and normal mode just turns everything off when you want a more natural sound. We've been using the Focus A6 for audio, podcasts, and day-to-day calls, and the sound quality has held up super well. There's a certain balance to everything with this headphone set. The bass is full, not overwhelming, it doesn't drown out the mids or the vocals, which is something that tends to happen a lot at this price point. Clarity is decent, especially on acoustic or vocal-heavy tracks. Volume gets high enough without harshness, and we didn't notice any distortion, even when we pushed it to its limits. All of that makes the Focus A6 surprisingly easy to listen to, especially for long sessions. And you're gonna love the connectivity on the Focus A6. It uses Bluetooth 6.0, and once it's paired with your phone, the connection stays solid throughout. We also tested switching between the phone and the laptop, and it handled that without any real delays. By the way, to enable dual device connection, you need to go to the app, enable the optional dual device connection. It's easy to do. Watching videos felt like it was perfectly in sync too, with no noticeable lag.